Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest. Very important part is that Pinterest is the most utilized marketing tool right now. Let's launch the app. First thing first, when you sign up for Pinterest, you have to select 5 different categories that you're interested in. This simply helps targeting not only what you want to see in your feed, as you can see over here, I have on my feed, but also helps other people who are selling products or services on the platform to reach you with the exact product or service. So what you can see over here on our feed, we have cars, we have fashion, we have wealth, we have educational products, and we have a lot of motivational and inspirational content. So this is what the first setting on the site. You will see the house icon. It will simply provide you with a feed that is 100% related to your 5 categories. So this is why you want to make sure that when you actually sign up and you create your account on Pinterest, you only pick niches or categories or industries where you really want to interact with. Don't pick something random, because then you have to create a brand new account. The second icon next to it is essentially the search. This is kind of a YouTube recommendation, YouTube trending page. Okay, this is where you will see a lot of videos that might inspire you as a creator or as a business owner. You will find what is currently popular on Pinterest. You will see a lot of Christmas stuff, Christmas foods. You will see a lot of tattoos, a lot of luxury ideas. Again, everything is made up or based off your categories. This is not just random recommendations, okay? There are many things that are currently popular on Pinterest, but Pinterest will only show you what is relevant to your categories, to your selection, to your interests. Showing you this simply because they want you to create content that is popular, right? So you're gonna get inspiration by what is currently popular, and probably you're gonna create something similar, which is good for the algorithm as well. The next option is the plus sign, where you can actually create your own content. You create your own pins, where you can actually generate the inspiration from the previous feed that we already talked about. This is where you can actually link your products or services. And to show you how this actually looks, for example, if we come over here, you will see this is a promoted post from Mazda. So if you click on this straight, you will go to the website and you will go to the car itself, and you will start selecting and modifying and creating your own product or service. Something else, there is a Kia as well. You see like a huge brands are over here, they're promoting, and when you actually click on the picture, you will have this swipe up function. If you swipe up, you will go straight to the website, if not to the actual car, so you can modify and potentially purchase the car. This is why I mentioned that this is the most utilized marketing tool right now, because it is very simple. With one click and one swipe, you might end up purchasing a car, which is a relatively big purchase for a lot of people. The next option over here on the lower side next to the plus sign is the messages. Usually if you have a lot of followers, if you have a product or service that you're selling, you'll get a lot of queries about the product or service, a lot of questions, and this is where you're going to keep up the communication. This is where also you're going to get messages from Pinterest itself, some recommendations, some updates on the information, or some privacy concerns, something that you have to be aware of. And the last icon, of course, is your own profile, where you create content. And Pinterest is very different in terms of generating leads, or at least attracting certain attention. It might take up to 3-4 weeks to see the first couple of views on your photos or videos. So be patient. I would say a little more patient than TikTok or any other short form content medium, because here things work differently. You will have a lot of the users being marketers. You will have a lot of the users are simply trying to sell something rather than try to buy something. They're more sellers and business owners than consumers. So you want to make sure that you really understand the concept and choose on which side of the equation you want to stay. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and follow for more.